AI skills are quickly becoming essential in today's workforce. Every industry is being revolutionized by AI, but most professionals still struggle with one major problem. They don't know where to start. That struggle doesn't mean people lack potential. It means they lack guidance, structure, and a clear path forward. That is where M2M comes in. At M2M Tech, we train professionals in machine learning, AI fundamentals, and data science, giving them the structure, clarity, and hands-on skills needed to move forward with confidence. In just 16 weeks, M2M Tech's DataTalent Program, powered by Upskill Canada and the Government of Canada, equips learners with industry-standard fundamentals, including tools like Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Unlike traditional courses, our work-integrated learning experience ensures you don't just learn AI, you apply it through real, project-based experience. By the end of the program, you leave with real-world experience and in-demand skills that make you a strong candidate in the emerging AI workforce. Explore how our Data Talent program can accelerate your AI skills at m2mtechconnect.com/programs/datatalent.